Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I want to do a video here and I want to show you guys my accessory pouch that I carry with my ready bag, my go bag. And this accessory pouch is basically to support my defensive implements. And my defensive implements are all in places where they can be safely stored, yet they are readily accessible should I need them. And a lot of times when you need your defensive implements, it might not be exactly where you are at. You might have to grab your ready bag or your go bag, and you might have to go to some other place in the neighborhood if there would be some type of neighborhood problem or a problem in your area or your community, or if there's some type of local muster call if something bad is happening. So I like to keep a certain amount of my defensive gear in a pack, and I've actually done videos on that as well in the past. I will put links in the description for that if you guys haven't seen that. And this accessory pouch is one of the things that stays in that ready bag to basically give me some tools and some things and some cleaning gear that I might need for the most common defensive tools that I carry. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around here. I'm going to pull the stuff out of this particular bag and show you guys what I got in here. All right, guys, these are the items that I keep in my accessory pouch that goes in my ready bag, and give you a quick look here at what those items are. And they go in my accessory pouch, and they can be transferred to a range bag if I'm going out to the range for a day or whatever. And they are to support my my truck gun, which is this guy right here, and then of course my EDC, my everyday carry, which is this Glock 19 right here. I'm going to go over these items sort of individually here and kind of give you my take on that stuff. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the lights. I carry a couple of lights in this pouch. One is a Streamlight TLR1, and this guy here is a pretty universal light that they've been around for a long time. And they got tabs in there that go with corresponding grooves on particular handguns. There are a couple of different grooves that handguns use. Some handguns use like a proprietary, that's their own design. I like the 1913 rails, so if I purchase firearms, I prefer to have that 1913 rail because it's sort of a universal size, but Glock has their own. And I found out through the years that Glock tab right there, I can make that work on a 1913 rail. It's not perfect, but I can make that work. And then of course it works on the Glock. So if I'm keeping one in my bag, I will keep the Glock tab on there, because then of course it will fit my Glocks, plus it will fit anything else that has the 1913 rail on it. Like I said, I can make it work. It's not perfect, but it does work. And then I have a larger light that can go on my rifle, and I have both switches here depending on how I want to run the switch. I have a tail cap switch, and then I have a pressure pad switch here along with the Torx wrench to take this off or put it on depending on what I need that firearm to do. I also have a spare backup sight here, and this backup sight is set up with a front sight post on this particular rifle here in case I would ever need that. And then I have a this is a Gerber AR tool, and basically it has different accessories on there for scraping and cleaning. It's got a little brush. It's got a way to, it's got a sight adjustment tool to move the front sight. If you guys don't know, moving the front sight is one of the ways where you can zero in a AR if you have the standard front sight post, sort of the old school one. And then I have a bottle of Slip 2000, which is one of my preferred lubricants. And then this guy, I actually keep it in a sealed bag here. So this is a brand new bottle. When they're brand new and you order these, sometimes they come in these bags, and that way if something would happen, as basically it's just an extra layer of protection so I don't get oil all over the place. I also carry a magazine loader here for handguns. This is a Glock one, but this will actually work on different model handguns. So if you got a SIG, or if you got a Beretta or Smith & Wesson, whatever, this will actually work on those as well. I have my cleaning rods here. These are just a sort of USGI surplus cleaning rods, where you just put them together, and you can use that to clean the barrel, or you can use it to push a stuck case out if that particular malfunction happens on the firearm. And then I got my brushes, the brush for the chamber, and then just a regular brush for the barrel. And then I have some small parts here that I wanted to carry for both my AR and my Glock. This is a recoil spring for my Gen 4 Glock 19, and it's one of those parts that potentially could fail, and that's one of the easy ways to check if you have a firearm, I guess, that's not ejecting or not running correctly. You can switch out the springs quick and see if that remedies the problem. And then I have a spare bolt, firing pin, cam pin, and then a little retaining pin here for the firing pin here for a bolt carrier on an AR-15. And one thing about the bolt here on this, the spec for see if it'll focus there. Maybe it won't, it's too close. But what that writing says there on the end of the bolt, this bolt is a 158 Carpenter steel, which is the specification for a bolt on an AR. So I have that hardened steel for the bolt. It's not some cheap aftermarket one. But all this stuff fits nicely in this pouch here, and I can rubber band that up into a little tube and throw it in one of the side pouches on my my ready bag. And then I have all these tools and accessories here at my disposal should I need to either change the configuration on my firearm or do basic maintenance on either my truck gun or my my EDC handgun. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys this here. I haven't really ever seen anybody carry a pouch like this in sort of their muster kit. If there's ever a muster call if in our neighborhood or something, I can grab this stuff and I can take it along with me. But anyway, some Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information and a little entertainment as always out of this video here. Some ideas I can pass on to you guys. You guys take care.